Are you a skincare enthusiast? Most of us invest too much on skincare products. However, some skincare products, no matter how expensive it may be, don't always work well on all types of skin. Did you know that you can still achieve gorgeous, glowing skin by making DIY face mask using all natural ingredients? Keep on watching this video to know more. Our main ingredient in this DIY face mask is turmeric. Turmeric is a common spice used for cooking, especially in Asian countries. It brings warm flavors and add nice color to food. People also love turmeric tea because it provides various health benefits. But aside from being tasty and healthy, turmeric is also becoming more popular in skincare field. Here are some reasons why turmeric face mask is going to be your new holy grail. First, it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. DIY turmeric face mask help reduce inflammation caused by cystic acne and pustules. It can prevent bacteria from breeding on the surface of your skin, so it will also reduce skin infections such as staph, blackheads or whiteheads. Next, turmeric is an antioxidant. Regular use of this DIY face mask will help protect our skin from free radicals. As a result, your skin texture will improve. This also rejuvenates your skin and makes you look glowing. Your scars and fine lines will be unnoticeable. Turmeric also has anti-aging properties. It hydrates your skin especially during hot summer days. So how to make your face mask? These are 3 variety of mixtures. First, to achieve softer skin, you need to mix 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder and 5 teaspoons of olive oil in a bowl. Apply the oil mixture onto your face. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. And rinse off with lukewarm water. To clear any hyperpigmentation and acne scars, you need to mix 1/4 of a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of milk or yogurt and raw honey. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, then wash your face in circular motion. And last, to combat acne, combine half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon honey and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Apply the mixture on your face and massage for 2 to 4 minutes. Let it dry and rinse off. Just a quick tip before applying the DIY mask, make sure your face is squeaky clean, free from makeup and excess oil. And another reminder, avoid wearing something you don't want to get stained, because turmeric stains. Achieving healthy and glowing skin is easy with this all-natural turmeric face mask. Which among the 3 mixture is your favorite? Write a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Like our video. Don't forget to press the like button. For more tips and tricks, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon.